Welcome to my sink, well, under sink area in the kitchen. I have these things from IKEA I bought, which will be going inside. But first, of course, I need to empty everything to make some room. So let's get to it. Okay, so clearly this is now emptied out. This IKEA thing keeps losing one wheel, which is really annoying. Because I need to keep putting it back. Also, I did not measure whatsoever. But it fits. I mean, perfection. It's gonna go all the way to the back. And is this still open? Yes. It's like I measured it, but I really didn't. Let me readjust the camera so you can maybe see the drawers better. Before I readjust, this just all came out of there. So I'm gonna sort it, categorize it, and then be ready to put it back here. Alright, let me see if this fits. No, it's way too high. If you hear any noise, that's my boyfriend putting together closets. Like not a proper closet, like a dresser. Just so you know. And he's also ill. Same as me. So, anyway. I have categorized my things. Here I categorize things. So, I have like a long cleaning brushes, I guess. They're in the corner right here. Floor cleaning stuff, mainly like Swiffer related things. Here are some window cleaning items, sponges, cloths, more dishcloths. I have these as well. And I have these things from my steam mop. So I'll see what I can put in the drawers, but that's kind of my categories. I'm gonna now put them in the drawers under the sink. Okay, let's see what I can do. Probably would be easier if it's a little closer to me. Okay, let's see what makes sense. Sponges in this one maybe. I feel like that makes sense. Let me. Can you see it? You cannot. Now you can see it. Okay. I'm back. I had to help with the chest of drawers. Anyway, back to my sponges. I think this is the same sponge. Not sure. These I'll just plop in there. They're just basic dish sponges. Everybody needs dish sponges. There we go. I have one of these that you can fill. But I don't think I'm actually gonna use this, to be honest. I bought it as a gimmick, but I think I'm just gonna get rid of it. Okay. I have one of these Scrap Daddy ones. And I think I have somewhere one more. These are from IKEA. Haven't even used them yet, so I don't know they're any good. They have like a soft side and more like a harder side. And I feel like if I maybe just put them like that, that's a bit stupid. I'll just put them here. Trying to see this here. This is like a silicone one. I haven't tried that one either. And I also still have these, which are like dishcloths apparently. So I think I'm gonna add them in here. And these are polishing cloths. Okay, no, let's try. This is also like a sponge that's soaked to scrub like oven and stuff. So I'm gonna add it at the back as like a specialty item. Okay, I'm gonna put this now in there. Oh, it's not. Okay, it's fine. This one's gonna be for cloths. Yeah, the quality of this build, well, the quality of the item is just not the best. Okay. Okay, so apparently my camera died before I started doing this drawer. I'm just putting cloths in here. These are cloths I already have used. These are new. For this I was gonna grab some scissors so I can cut it off. Also, by the way, best scissors I've ever used, the Fiskars ones. Highly recommend these plasticky bits. Oh, and you can wash it in 60 degrees, these ones. Actually, yeah, never really thought about dishcloths being washed, but yeah, I usually use sponges, to be honest. And I of course wash kitchen towels. But yeah, okay. I haven't tried these before, so it's gonna be kind of interesting. But I'm gonna fold them in half so they can fit with the new kits here at the back. This one is a bit bulky, isn't it? I'm gonna put it here. And this one, just because it's also grey. Perfect. Okay, I have gloves, but I don't think this makes sense in here. I'll leave it at this, and I'll move on to the next drawer, which, what will it be? Have some window cleaning stuff, but I think that should be separate. I think maybe these things, and like brushes. But I have way too many. I like this one, it has this really soft thing at the end. This one has a really scratchy one, but has this soft thing. But then again, I have like this, so I think this one can go. This one I do use sometimes. This is for like grout, like this, so I'm definitely keeping it. This one I don't see myself using because I have this one already. I don't even know what this one's supposed to do. I guess it's for bottles. But again, I have the other one, so this one doesn't fit. So it can go. This I use a lot. They're also bottle brushes. And like faucets and things. Let me unpack them. Oh, it's actually attached with plasticky bits. Yeah, I never used them before. That's gonna tell you something about how much I need them, I guess. Okay, these two, yeah, for sure I can keep. It's on this side. They're all from Lidl, by the way, like all of these things. This is not, I don't know where it's from. This is just from a random store. And this I guess I'll also keep. I just need to bend it so it can fit in the drawer. And maybe I can add like this. It's for Swiffer. It has no other place. And then maybe my Weleda steam thing. And this is like a carpet cover. Oh, this is also from Lidl. This brush, I use this one a lot. So I think these things can all be kind of together as tools. And let me unpack this as well. That's tools. I'm gonna add this here as well. Okay, tools it is. And these are for windows, by the way. These are great. You don't need any product with them. This Weleda PVA Micro. These are awesome. Maybe can add them with tools as well, because they're for windows. Okay, I'm gonna regroup here. Time to put things in. I kind of categorized them ish. I got these containers. They're the what are they? There's no name on them. There's no name on them. I got the smaller ones. Are these the medium? No, and the bigger ones. This is done. So I'm gonna go move it to the back. There's that. I think one of these for like dishwasher stuff. Or no, because I have these. That's big. I also have this. But I don't think I'm gonna need it here. Not sure it's gonna make much sense. Let me put this to the side. Okay, floor stuff. I think one box for floor cleaning. That includes this Swiffer wet thingies. This one for the floor. Hope it fits. Snug. And cloth. It's not gonna really work. I can put these here at the top. Perfect. Floor plus window, maybe? Let me see something. Okay, this can be like this is open, that's why it has a plastic over it. So the liquid doesn't just go everywhere. What's that contained? I'm struggling. Why am I struggling? Salt, like a thing to make it shiny. This looks weird. That's that. Wait, how many can I fit in there? Can I fit in 3 wide? No, I cannot. Okay. I'll do it like that. This in between. Yes. This at the back. Underneath here maybe. Not really much used. This I can put near the other Swiffer things. Yes. I think there I'm just gonna put all of the other things I have, including some spare things. I have this for just like for trash, like a bin buddy. To keep the bins fresh and clean for days. No, it doesn't think. What am I doing? Oh, why am I doing it? Okay, I've changed things around a little bit. This is having dishes and dish related things. Like for example, I have spare dish soap and hand soap. And hand soap for the kitchen, so it's gonna go at the back. This is just bicarbonate soda. Can go with there, I think. Let me see how much fits here. Move this to the front, this to the back. Perfect. There's even some space here. Ah yeah, this I can put in here. Yes, this can go. I have this this bowl here. There's not really a better place for it right now. This is a spare cleaning spray. This is as well spare. I'm gonna have to use it soon because the other one is almost empty. Disinfectant. This is for cleaning the windows. I can put it here. For the floors, it's being used a lot. I'm gonna put it here. Toilets, I feel like it's not supposed to be here, but I don't have any other space. You know what? Let's do it like that. Windows, a bit of sieve, bathroom cleaner, all around cleaner, toilet cleaner, number 1 and number 2. This is to remove like cement because yeah, new house, different things happening. Great. These things, that's for a washing machine, so it can go somewhere else. And this bin buddy, I don't know what to do with it, to be honest. This can go here. That's for the floors. It can go here. And that's iron and a spray. And again, that's not for here. Did I put everything in? I did? Okay. That's gonna be that for now, I think. Not too bad, I think. Yeah. Time for a final rundown of what's where. Swiffer things are at the top. Here I have sponges, nicely organized. Then I have cloths, also nicely organized. There we go. Is it scratching my cabinet? I'm gonna move it a bit away from the wall. There we go. Cleaning gadgets, Swiffer stuff, gloves, dishwasher related dish washing up. Over here we have my bowl. This is for the floors, mop for the floors, the cloth. Some wipes at the back, which are like for cleaning, but I'm gonna use them up and probably never buy them again. Then we have some spare overall cleaning sprays. There's also like multi-purpose disinfectant. Wow, I can't speak. Some sieve for windows, bathrooms, toilets, and for trash. Yeah, that's it.